So do you also want to send personalized emails using AI to all your leads? Then you are on the right video. So as you can see right now, I have 0 mails in this inbox. Now when I am going to fill in this lead form, instantly I am going to receive a personalized mail based on my preferences. Alright, so let's click on this preview form. As you can see, for the property type, I'm going to select it as apartment/flat. Click on this continue. I am going to enter all the details. For the full name, I'm going to keep it as test user. This has the phone number. For the email, test@pabblytudes.com. For the city, I'm going to keep it as Mumbai. Click on this continue and then submit. We have successfully submitted this form. I've selected the city as Mumbai and the property type too. Now based on the property type, city and my preferences, it is going to send me a personalized mail where it is going to show me the listing on the same. Alright, so let's go on this mail, refresh this inbox, and you're going to see we have received a new mail right over here. So let's just refresh this. This is the mail which says property based on your interest, and over here it is from Prime Properties. It is saying, dear test user, thank you for your interest in the apartment/flat in Mumbai. We appreciate your inquiry and we are here to find you the best match. Over here we have some fantastic properties in Mumbai you may like. So it is sharing me the details for the apartments in Mumbai which they are offering. Would you like us to assist through a property search or consultation process, and the rest of the details? So this is a personalized mail because it has my name. Not only my name, based on my preferences, they have suggested me the property too. So this is the amazing automation which we're going to create and learn in today's video. So now you have seen the proper working of this automation. Now let's see how this automation can be created. So to create this, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can send up to 100 of personalized emails for free, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is RITYT. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. The discount coupon code is also attached in the description box below, and right over here you can check it out. But first, try Pabbly Connect, and if you find it helpful for you and your business, then you can move on further. Use this discount coupon code to purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. So now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window for automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for Facebook lead ads because I'm collecting the lead details using Facebook and I want to send personalized email based on that only. For the event, we have to select it as new lead instant and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with Facebook lead ads. Once we click on this connect with Facebook lead ads, first of all make sure that your Facebook account is logged in before starting with the automation. If not, first log in it and then only going to get this option to click on this continue. Once you get this option to click on this continue, just click on this continue and your Facebook lead ads account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. After creating this connection, you have to select the page name and then the lead gen form. So for the page name, we have to select it. So as you can see, the name of my Facebook page is Prime Properties. So I am going to search for Prime Properties and select it. Now for the name of the form, we have to select it. So as you can see, I want to create this automation for this form, which is real estate lead form. So I've selected the same. Make sure to keep the response format as simple and click on this save and send test request. Now it is saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, we have to open our lead ads testing tool. So to open this tool, open a new tab and search for Meta for Developers. Go on the landing page of Meta for Developers. After you come on this landing page, go on this resources and then developer tools. Now you have to scroll and select this lead ads RTO debug tool and it is going to open your lead ads testing tool. So easy, right? After you open your lead lead ads testing tool, select the page, the product as lead retrieval, and then the form which you selected in your workflow. And then you have to click on this preview form. Now it is asking me to select the property type. So let's say I'm going to select it as a villa/independent house. Now it is asking me for the full name. So for that, I'm going to keep it as smart user. This has the phone number, this has the email address, and then for the city, I'm going to keep it as Pune. Click on this continue and then submit. We have successfully submitted this lead form. Alright, so now let's go back towards our workflow, and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same right over here. We just have to wait for a few seconds, and we're going to say yes, Pabbly has captured the response for the same. Now let's send them a personalized email, something like this. For that, click on this cross button and close this, and click on this add new action step. For the action application, we're going to use OpenAI in order to generate personalized emails. For the event, you have to select it as ChatGPT and click on this connect. Now if you already created a connection between OpenAI and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection, and it is asking for this token. So to get this token, click on this OpenAI API key page and open your OpenAI API key page. Make sure to log in right over here. Then click on this create new secret key button, enter your key name, select the project, and click on this create secret key button. Your key will be created, so just copy the key and paste it right over here in your workflow. After you paste this key, click on this save, and your OpenAI account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. After creating this connection, select the AI model. I'm going to keep it as same. You can select any another of your choice. For the prompt, I am going to enter the same prompt which I have entered right over here. So I'm just going to copy the same prompt and paste it right over here. But in this prompt, I am going to map some details, which is the lead details. Alright, so first of all, you have to understand what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So as you can see, I am going to map all the details by putting a slash over here. I'm going to put a slash and then search for the detail which I wish to map and map it like this. One by one, I am going to map all the details over here, be it the phone number, name, email, property type interested in, or the city. And further, if you want to learn from where I got this prompt, so I have generated this prompt, and if you also want my prompt, the workflow URL of this workflow will be attached in the description box below. You can check it out and get my prompt from there. So in this prompt, I have clearly mentioned about all the villas. I have all the details, like as you can see, first of all, I've mentioned the important instructions, which is the output must be a clean HTML email and the rest of the details. Further, I have attached the complete knowledge base of my own company, which is Prime Properties. So here's what company provides, the property categories, and we have also attached the available properties like in Mumbai, Pune, and so on. And I've also mentioned the email structure I want. So this is a complete prompt which I've created for my own company. You can copy my prompt and create this for yourself too. After you enter this prompt, just click on the save and send test request, and ChatGPT is going to generate you a personalized mail. So let's wait for a few seconds till it is going to generate a personalized mail, and I've requested for personalized HTML email because I want to send advanced emails like this, not plain emails. So now let's wait, and you're going to see that we have successfully received this response, and over here in the content we have received the HTML email content which we're going to map further. Alright, so let's just close this and move on further and click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for Gmail because we want to send personalized emails. For the event, select it as send email and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Gmail and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. Now select the Gmail account with the help of which you want to build this connection, and then Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions. So click on this allow, give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for because your data is 100% safe with us, no need to worry. Now it is asking for the sender's name. So this is a static information which is Prime Properties. So I am going to enter it right over here, which is Prime Properties, and then let's move on further. It is selecting the sender's email address automatically because this is the email address using which we created this connection. Now it is asking me for the sender's name, so I'm going to keep it as Prime Properties over here. Now for the sender's email address, it is selecting this automatically because this is the same email address using which we created this connection. Now it is asking me for the recipient email address right over here, so we're going to map it, put a slash, search for the email address and map it like this. Now it is saying CC, BCC and reply to, so these are not required. that. So let's go towards this email subject. Over here for the email subject, I'm going to keep it as this, which is options based on your interest prime properties. Now for the content, we're going to simply map the content which OpenAI generated, which is the email content. Now for the email content type, select it as HTML because we have generated this HTML email. You can keep it as plain if you have generated the plain email. Select the label, further distinct file names and attachments. If you want to attach some brochure or the property listing, you can attach it right over here. Same goes for the signature. After this, click on the save and send test request, and you're going to see we have received the positive response that we have successfully sent this mail. Go back towards the inbox, and you're going to see that this is the mail which we have received. As you can see that this is the mail which we have received. In this mail, we have all the details. Based on the Pune, they have suggested me 3 properties right over here which I can look further. So yes, go try this amazing automation yourself, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll just attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below too. Now whenever I'm just going to receive a new lead, instantly based on their interest, a personalized email suggesting them the properties will be sent towards them. This is such a useful automation for all the real estate agencies, and you can create this automation for multiple more businesses too. If you run a skincare firm, you can create this for that too, and so on. So first of all, try Pabbly Connect. If you like it, don't forget that the discount coupon code is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. Till then, see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, everyone. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.